the beginning of the Silver River. A lot of big blue shad running down the water.
That's what I do.
Those are blue shad. 55 feet of water. The big cave up there, 12 feet high and 65 feet across. Look at the front glass now. 550 million gallons of water flowing out of that cave. Enough water to supply Los Angeles large metropolitan city. See, all of that's now only at Silver Springs. No place else. You're looking right into the birth of the river there.
Yeah, because it did have a lot of fungus on it. Let's see.
All of you to know that Silver Springs is a national landmark. And that means that it will be protected forever. On TV programs,
Okay, here we go. Listen.
starring Lloyd Bridges as Mike Nelson, famous underwater investigator. They filmed over 100 episodes right here in the Rock Spring area.
That's funny.
ABC, Wide World of Sports, high diving contest were held right here. Diving off over into 55 feet of
Look at
water.
that wall.
Whenever underwater movies are filmed here at Silver Springs, about 90% of them are taken right here in this Lodge Spring area. Watch along the bottom up there. I'm going to move the boat right over the top. There's enough statues up there on the bottom.
Okay, look down, you're going to see the
Go
statue.
down there back in there the 60s
That they used
in
in
the
the movie.
Spy
I spy.
program.
Watch, you're going to see a man down here.
Look toward the front of the boat. They're coming
Look
into
towards
view
the
up
front.
there.
Here they come. Look right over here.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Statues were later used under James Bond.
James Bond. I
Moonrakers.
spy. Right, see him? See him?
James Bond also filmed Never Say Never Again.
James Bond statue.
Name a
right
few.
there.
The many movies that have been here in Silver Spring. Spring sometimes on a red like Sunday display beautiful rainbows. Sheer drop there from 17 feet down to 31. That's what they call the Donald Rock Ledge. Once this completes the last bottom boat ride, we'll leave in the boat here now. Make sure you check your seat before Make sure you got everything now. Remain seated there, please, while we are going in the dock the boat. All arms and hands on the inside of the boat.